Hey guys, OnePlus 12 just launched in the China market and Xiaomi 14 Pro also launched China market last month. Both phones come with almost same configuration. So in this video I like to share all the key difference and specification OnePlus 12 and Xiaomi 14 Pro to help you who is the best smartphone you have to buy right now. So first talk about the pricing, and as you can see that OnePlus 12 is slightly cheaper than Xiaomi 14 Pro. Both phone built with glass front and back with aluminum frame, so overall the both phone build quality are same and too good. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 6.73-inch 2K resolution AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the phone peak brightness is 3000 nits. And on the other hand, OnePlus 12 comes with slightly bigger display and also peak brightness. The phone comes with 6.82-inch 2K resolution AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness is 4500 nits. And both phones also come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and also Adreno 750 GPU. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB storage with UFS 4.0, and OnePlus 12 you can get more RAM. The phone comes with 24 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage with UFS 4.0. In the camera department, both phones come with triple camera setup, and also both phones offering 50 megapixel main sensor. Xiaomi 14 Pro also offering 50 megapixel telephoto lens, also 50 megapixel ultra wide, but OnePlus 12 offer you 48 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, but both phones come with 32 megapixel selfie camera. And here is some picture sample compared to Xiaomi 14 Pro and OnePlus 12. And as you can see that OnePlus 12 perform pretty well compared to the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 4880 mAh battery and OnePlus 12 comes with huge 5400 mAh battery. But Xiaomi 14 Pro offer you 120 watt fast charging compared to 100 watt fast charging OnePlus 12. But at the same time, both phones offer you 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. Both phones also come with a studio speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner, but Xiaomi 14 Pro have a IP68 rating compared to the IP65 rating OnePlus 12. So overall, I think OnePlus 12 is the best choice for you compared to the Xiaomi 14 Pro, because OnePlus 12 offer you great camera and also good quality battery life, and also you can get more extra RAM. And the good thing is OnePlus 12 is more cheaper than Xiaomi 14 Pro. So that's for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.